everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, we are going to see the paper pattern as well as paper presentation for the language English examination, which is for degree 5th semester students. By watching this video till end and listening to me carefully, definitely you will get an idea. You will be clarified about how to present your answers in your answer booklet in order to score O grade in your English examination. So watch the video till end, and if you are new to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. So without getting late, let us get started ma. As I already said you, we are going to see English paper pattern as well as paper presentation in this video. So students, before going into the paper presentation, first we will discuss about the paper pattern. Okay, after discussing paper pattern, we will be having a look at the presentation. So English examination will be for 80 marks and time duration will be 3 hours. In 3 hours of time duration, you need to attempt 80 marks question paper, and these 80 marks are divided into two parts again. Part A you will be having and the other one is part B. Getting my point? Part A is for 20 marks and part B will be for 60 marks. 60 plus 20 it is 80 marks. So on whole, part A and part B both together, it will consist of 80 marks question paper. Part A is purely based on grammar and vocabulary part. You will not find any kind of summary in part A. It is purely based on grammar and vocabulary. You are having one word substitutes, words often confuse, essay writing, report writing, right? So that writing parts and grammar and vocabulary, whatever one word substitutes or words often confuse, whatever that particular things you are having in your English, you will be finding it here in the part A. It is grammar and vocabulary. You will not find any summary ma. How this paper pattern will be, let us discuss first. Let us see part B. Part B will be completely summaries. So first let us see part A ma, then we will be going to part B. So part A pattern, how it will be? Part A will consist of 20 marks, right? And 20 marks part A will have 6 questions in it. Okay, how many questions? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 questions you are having. One question will carry you 5 marks. You need to attempt only 4 questions ma. You need to attempt only 4 questions and one question will carry you 5 marks. If you write any 4 questions out of these 6 questions, 20 marks will be in your hands. That's all. And in each question, you will be having like this ma. A, B, C, D, E. In question, again you will be having questions A, B, C, D, E. One question will carry you 1 mark here. So on whole, this one question will have 5 different questions. On whole, they will consist of 5 marks together. Getting my point? But here 5th and 6th will be from your writing part ma, as you are having essay writing, resume writing, and what else you are having in the next unit? That writing parts you will be having in 5th and 6th questions. They will ask you what are the good points to write CV. Give the importance of skills like public speaking skills. You mention that skills. They will be asking you such type of questions. Here essay writing also they might ask you. They will give you a topic and they will ask you to write an essay. So that questions you will be seeing here. But the remaining ones like one word substitutes, words often confused, all that you will be finding here in 1 to 4 questions. Got my point? One question will carry you 5 marks. So 4 you need to attempt. Any 2 you can leave on the choice. If you are attempting 1, 3, 5, 6, you can leave 4 and 2. Getting my point? So this is the paper pattern for part A ma. Part B, how it will be? Part B questions will be starting from 7th question, as 6 questions are given in part A, right? So part B will be starting from, it is consist of 60 marks ma. Part B will be starting from 7th question. 7 you will be finding 8, 9, 10. Only 10 because only 3 units you are having in English language of your 5th semester. So 7th question will be asked from unit number 1, in which you will be having A, B, or option will be given. A is from poem, B is from prose. If you are attempting one, you can leave the other. Unit number 1, unit number 2, Unit number 3. Now you are having a doubt from where this 10th question will be asked. You are having critical reading, right? And a woman you are having. What else you are having? In the critical reading, 3 critical readings are there. Out of that 3 critical readings, any 2 they will ask here. Any 2 they will ask. You need to attempt any one from here. If you are attempting A, leave B, like that. So this is the paper pattern of your part A. Okay, and each question will carry you, sorry, it is paper pattern of part B. Part A already grammar and vocabulary part completed. Each question will carry you 15 marks. 15 plus 15, it is 60 marks on whole. 60 marks will be in your hands with the part B. Okay, I suggest you, whenever you are going to your exam hall, when you are taking your question paper and answer booklet, start writing with the part B. Why I will say you now, let us discuss part B and part A paper pattern as well as presentation. Paper pattern we have already seen. Now let us have a look at the presentation. This will be your answer booklet, right now? This will be your answer booklet. Here answer booklet will start from page number 3. So from where this circle is starting, from there you draw a line. When you are getting your answer booklet after going into the exam center, first take scale and pencil and draw the margins and keep. All pages, how many you will reuse, how many you will not use, that doesn't matter. For all, when you are having some time, 5 to 10 minutes will be left, right? Before only they will be giving you answer booklet, draw the margins and keep from page number. Here circle will be starting, from there you draw a margin, don't draw here or anyway. Don't draw from here also. You need to draw from this circle. Already this line will be given. First you need to start with part B. I have already said, you know. So this will be answer booklet, single line book it will be. So when you are starting part B, mention part B like this, clearly in capital letters. When you are attempting 7th question, mention 7 here, not here, anywhere. Mention 7 here. If you are writing prose from 7th question, mention B here. Prose. Okay. If you are writing A, mention A here. Okay. 7th question. From 7th question you are attempting B. How you need to write the summary, ma? There is a format. How you will be writing the summary? You will be writing about. If you are writing the prose, you will be writing about the author. If you are writing poem, how you will be writing? About the poet you will be writing. Just assume we are attempting poem. You need to write about the capital poet. Write in capital letters, it will be good. Okay. About the poet, then you will be writing about the poem. Right. Then you will be writing summary. Then you will be writing conclusion. Students, when you are writing the summary of poem, try to mention the lines of the poem so that it will be attractive. It will impress the person who is correcting your paper. Getting my point? If you are writing the summary of prose, no need to write any lines. Whatever you know, you put it on the paper. But you need to follow this. Okay, follow this format and write. Definitely you will be scoring 15 marks from each and every summary. But when you are attempting the poem, try to mention the lines. Like if you are writing the summary, if you know any lines, mention the lines like this. And again start writing the summary. If you know the lines, mention the lines like this. And you explain about that lines. Like that you can write. But for prose, you should not write like that. Directly you can write. Now let us talk about critical reading. How you will write critical reading. Okay. Critical reading summary, how you need to write, let us see. So critical reading, how it will be, ma? Already all the explanation videos of your summaries as well as grammar and vocabulary part I have uploaded on our channel. If you didn't watch, please go to our channel playlist. Semester 5 English, you will be finding all the videos. Check out that videos. Okay. So 10th will be critical reading, right? If you are attempting 10th A, how you will be writing the summary? First, you need to start with introduction. Okay, after writing introduction, you will be writing summary. Then you will be writing conclusion. That's all. This is the way you need to write the summary of critical reading, ma. Not anything other than this. Okay. And I suggest you to mention these headings in the capital letters so that it will be easy to identify it and it will look attractive to the person who is correcting your papers. Okay. Now this is about the part B ma. If you follow this procedure, if you write with the black pen, if you write neatly with the good content, okay, how you are writing is not important. Why you are writing is not important. What you are writing is not important. You would have listened to these words, but it is really very important how to write the answer. What to write is also important, but how you write is more important. You need to write the content. Over you should not write, like more than needed you should not write. How much needed you put it on the paper, that much only, but you need to write very good. Like you need to present the answers very well. After this you are having part A, right? In each question you are having different questions here in part A. If this is part A, okay, this will be the answer booklet, right? Part A, if you are attempting first question, mention one here. Again you are having A, B, C, D, E, right? You should not mention A, B, C, D here. You should mention A here, B, C, D, E. Like this you need to mention. Getting my point? Now, start writing the answer whatever they have asked you. Start writing. But here when you come to last 5 and 6, you will be given to write essay writing, or they will be asking you to write the steps for good CV, or write the steps to write good project report. In that case, at least one side you need to write. Summary is at least 3.5 side ma, means must 3.5 side. If not, at least 3 sides you write. For the students who want to score O grade, full marks 3.5 is necessary. And the students, okay ma'am, okay, I will be scoring good, means write 3. Like more than you are good in time managing, you know lots of content, you want to write more, means write 3.5, but 3 is must and should. If the students who just want to score okay, like yes ma'am Rashi Osta, theek hai ma'am likh ke aa tu, that people at least write 2.5, at least 2.5. About the poem और conclusion लिखने पर ही 1.5 साइड तो खत्म हो जाता. Summary at least और एक 1.5 साइड तो लिखना ना. So that is why I am saying. So 3.5 here, at least one side you need to write ma. Okay. Like this you will be writing in first, second, third and fourth question. In fifth and sixth, at least you need to mention like this 5, and don't mention all these. You will not be having any sub questions in the question. Directly write whatever you want to write. Like if you are writing points for a good CV, right? CV. Or if they are asking you project report. Like this you mention. Getting my point? So this is the procedure. This is the way to present the answers. This was the paper pattern. Use black pen. First attempt part B, then only go to part A. You give your all the time to part B. In half an hour you can complete part A, ma'am. That's not a big deal. So then come to part A and write, and write in the uppercase letter so that it will be clearly visible. Manage your time properly. All the very best. Bye bye.